Hi everyone, I just wanted to go over how easy it is to really make these card kits. Now, I want to show you this welcoming garden kit, which is so pretty, and it's just so much fun to put these together. I really enjoy the card kits and not thinking so hard about designing them. I love the fact that you get all of these punch outs. And you can see I've already punched some out and some might be coming out right there. But you also get this really adorable stamp. Okay, this one has a gate or a fence on it. And then we have what I'm going to call like a piling look or border. And then it has a couple of sayings. Thanks just for you and thinking of you today. What great sayings to have. And I'm just going to show you that you just stamp the images and you'll make the cards, and they are so much fun. There, in this particular card, there's a couple of posts, there's some flowers that we'll be using, but I wanted to tell you that each kit comes with a little cube. We have our little pop-ups. This one has, sometimes it has little glue dots. This one has tear tape, so it can be really easy. And you're just going to follow along with the directions on putting them all together. So there was a couple little tips I thought I'd share with you, but I wanted to go over here. Look at this cute card. Look at that beautiful gate. And all of these little flowers have little pop-ups on it. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll cut my pop-ups in half, and that makes it easy. But look at those beautiful little leaves and how they go through the gate, in and out of the gate as well. So there's nothing on the inside. If you'd rather save this backing, you can cut the card apart and also use this on a front of a white card base and use this on another card base and make whatever design you want. The envelopes are really cute too. There's 9 cards in this particular kit. So look how cute this gate is. It's a tri-fold card. So it comes like this. All you're doing is adding those cute little pop-up flowers and the birdhouse. I don't know if you can see that. It's all popped up there. And the word thanks, or you could do just a note if you prefer. But they're so pretty. And here I'm working on this one. So I wanted to show you how cute that gate looks, and it flips open. There's still a card inside, so you can still write a message. You can make this a happy birthday card, whatever you'd like. This one says thinking of you today, if you don't want to put a message in there, but it's kind of fun to do that. And you have everything you see here, and look at these cute little flowers. These are all popped up. So one of the tips that I would have for you is when you get, sometimes they're not usually this detailed with all of these punch outs, but what I like to do is look at the directions, and what I did is I flipped it over and then I actually put pop-ups on all the little things that would need it so that it would be ready to go, and tear tape on the bottoms of the items that also needed it. So it just kind of made it so much easier to put together. What I liked about this one as well is you'll see there's a little shadow of a line. That's where the gate goes. So I've already done the stamping. You're just going to take your card and use your bone folder or whatever you have it near you. I've already put the tear tape on the bottom. These are just great kits to take with you to a crop, to a friend's house, to do on a rainy day. Personally, I'm not feeling 100% today. I was supposed to work on something else, and I'm not feeling it. So that's easy. There's no other gluing on this one. And I'm just following the directions on how to put this together. So it really does show you stamping the fence, stamping your message, using the cube, putting it together, adding your glue pieces, which is your tear tape is here, the gray little strips, this is the tear tape. When you see those little tiny hexagons, those are your pop-ups. So you're adding pop-ups to those pieces. And then you're going to start to put it together. It's really that easy. So I've already done this step, and now I'm going to add that gate. Or I should say fence, right? So let's pop one out. I did the stamping, and I have not added my tear tape, and it really is quite simple to do. And on the directions, it's just these two pieces that get the tear tape on the fence. So just going to tear those pieces off. And you'll see right here where this shadow is, that is exactly where you line up your fence line. I love that. I love that it did that for me. And then this one, this is going to bend back, but this one, and you can see it right here. Thinking of You Today goes on the inside. So they do give you a couple extra labels, which is kind of fun to have that. The hello is popped up. We have our posts, which are also popped up. So that's what I'm saying. Like I went and I sat, you could sit in front of the TV and pop up these things, or just relaxing and adding them the details. So there's two of these posts. You can have the kids help you do this. They can help take off the tape for you. And then you have the other little details. So let me see, mine have been falling out because I've been playing with them. So we have one of those, one of these, and there should be three of these. And I know it was over here. There it is. And you're just going to follow the directions on where to put them or place them wherever you like. And that's it. It's all done. So as you can see, you have your cute little fence with your message, but then you can also write your message on the inside. And you get 9 cards in this kit with the stamp set. You also get a mini block with this and your cube, everything that you need. Sometimes you just need a pair of scissors, and you could take this with you wherever you go, but this is really an adorable kit, and it comes with the 9 envelopes as well. I hope you enjoyed this little presentation.